Guntur Michi market at the chili variety 334. Quality wise, medium best quality. Price today 130 rupees. 13,000 rupees are going on in market at 334 chili variety, medium best quality. Price today 100 kgs 13,000 rupees are going on in market at